Today I am going to explain last exercise word problems from your first chapter, integers. So whenever the word problems are given, read the problem 2 or 3 times for better understanding so that you can solve the problems easily. Now see the first problem. In a class test containing 15 questions, 4 marks are given for every correct answer and minus 2 marks are given for every incorrect answer. Once again, in a class test containing 15 questions, 4 marks are given for every correct answer and minus 2 marks are given for every incorrect answer. This is the information given in the problem. How many questions in a test here? There are 15 questions. So each correct answer carries 4 marks. Each incorrect answer carries minus 2 marks. Now basing on this information, let us find the solution for the first problem. Bharati attempts all the questions but 9 answers are correct. What is her score? How many questions Bharati attempts here? All questions. All the 15 questions she attempted. But how many are correct answers in that? 9. Then how many are incorrect answers? 15 minus 9, 6. Now let us find her score. Now see the solution. Number of questions in a test, 15. Number of correct answers, 9. Number of incorrect answers, 15 minus 9, which is 6. Now let us find her total score. 9 correct plus 6 incorrect. As each correct answer carries 4 marks, 9 correct answer score is 9 into 4, which is 36, plus 6 incorrect answers means as each incorrect answer score is minus 2, 6 incorrect answer score 6 into minus 2, minus 12. Altogether 36 plus minus 12 we got 24 marks. That means Bharati scored 24 marks in the test. Now come to the next problem. One of her friend Hema attempts only 5 questions and all are correct. What will be her total score? Now here she did not attempt all the questions. Only 5 questions she attempted where all are correct answers. Now let us find her score in this case. Number of questions attempted 5. Number of correct answers 5. Now Hema's total score as 5 correct answers. Each correct answer carries 4 marks. 5 into 4 which is 20 marks. So here Hema scored 20 marks in the test. Now come to the another problem. In a class test, 3 marks are given for every correct answer and minus 2 marks are given for every incorrect answer and no marks for not attempting any question. Once again, in a class test, 3 marks are given for every correct answer and minus 2 marks are given for every incorrect answer and no marks for not attempting any question. Now here each correct answer carries 3 marks. Each incorrect answer carries minus 2 marks. Now no marks for not attempting any question. Now what is the information missing in this problem? They did not give that how many questions in a test. Now in this case, how to solve the problem? See the first problem. Radhika scored 20 marks. If she has got 12 correct answers, how many questions she attempted incorrectly? Radhika's score, it was given final score. And how many correct answers they given. Now we have to find how many she attempted incorrectly. Now see the solution here. Radhika's score is 20 marks. Now score of 12 correct answers, as each correct answer carries 3 marks. 12 correct answer score is 12 3s are 36. Now score of incorrect answers, how we will get here? From the total score, if you subtract correct answer score, then we get incorrect answer score. That is 20 minus 36, which is minus 16 marks. Now, how we get number of incorrect answers? If the score of incorrect answers, if you divide by the score of each incorrect answer, then we get number of incorrect answers. That is minus 16 divided by minus 2. Minus divided by minus is plus. 16 divided by 2, 8. That means Radhika attempted 8 questions incorrectly. Now come to the another problem. Mohini scored minus 5 marks in this test. Though she got 7 correct answers, how many questions she attempted incorrectly? Same as above sum. See the solution here. Mohini's score is minus 5 marks. How many correct answers she did here? 7. So score of 7 correct answers. 7 into 3 which is 21 marks. Now how we get score of incorrect answers? From her total score, if you subtract the correct answer score, then we get incorrect score. That is minus 5 minus 21. Minus 5 minus 21 means minus 26 marks. Now we have to find the number of incorrect answers. That means score of incorrect answers we have to divide by score of each incorrect answer. Minus 26 divided by minus 2. Minus divided by minus is plus. 26 divided by 2 is 13 questions. So, Mohini attempted 13 questions incorrectly. Now come to some more problems. The temperature at 12 noon was 10 degrees Celsius above zero. If it decreases at the rate of 2 degrees Celsius per hour until midnight, at what time would the temperature be 8 degrees Celsius below zero? And what would be the temperature at midnight? Now, the temperature at 12 noon was 10 degrees Celsius above zero means will be indicated as positive. So, temperature at 12 noon is 10 degrees Celsius. If it decreases at the rate of 2 degrees Celsius per hour until midnight means, see here I am going on decrease it by 2 per hour until midnight. Now you have to find at what time would the temperature be 8 degrees Celsius below zero and what would be the temperature at midnight. This you have to find. Now see the change in temperature. At 1 o'clock 10 minus 2 8 degrees Celsius. At 2 o'clock 8 minus 2 6 degrees Celsius. At 3 o'clock 6 minus 2 4 degrees Celsius. At 4 o'clock 4 minus 2 2 degrees Celsius. At 5 o'clock 2 minus 2 0 degrees Celsius. At 6 o'clock 0 minus 2 which is minus 2 degrees Celsius. At 7 o'clock minus 2 minus 4 degrees Celsius. At 8 o'clock minus 4 minus 2 minus 6 degrees Celsius. At 9 o'clock minus 6 minus 2 minus 8 degrees Celsius. At 10 o'clock minus 8 minus 2 minus 10 degrees Celsius. At 11 o'clock minus 10 minus 2 minus 12 degrees Celsius. Now after 11 at 12 midnight the temperature is minus 12 minus 2 which is minus 14 degrees Celsius. That means the temperature at midnight is 14 degrees Celsius below zero. And also they asked at what time would the temperature be 8 degrees below 0 degrees Celsius. Means where at what time minus 8 degrees Celsius? At 9 o'clock. It means that at 9 o'clock the temperature is 8 degrees Celsius below 0. Now come to the next problem. An elevator descends into a mine shaft at the rate of 6 meters per minute. If the descent starts from 10 meters above the ground level, how long will it take to reach minus 350 meters? Elevator means it is lift. An elevator descends into a mine shaft at the rate of 6 meters per minute. When the elevator is going down to the ground level, it took 1 meter for every 6 meters. If the descent starts from 10 meters above the ground level, how long will it take to reach minus 350 meters? Suppose if the elevator starts traveling above the ground level from 10 meters to below the ground level, below the ground level means as it indicates with minus 350 meters. How much time does it take to travel here? Now, first we find the distance travelled from 10 meters to minus 350 meters. Now, distance travelled 10 minus of minus 350, 10 plus 350 is 360 meters. Now, what is the time taken to travel 6 meters? It is 1 minute. What is the time taken to travel 1 meter? Many to 1 is division. So, 1/6 of minute it took. Now here, time taken to travel 360 meters. 1 to many as it multiplication, 360 into 1 by 6. Simplify here, 6 ones, 6 60s. It means 60 ones are 60 minutes. 60 minutes is nothing but 1 hour. It means that elevator took 1 hour time to travel from 10 meters above ground level to 350 meters below ground level. Now, with this, your first chapter is completed. Coming 2 classes, revision will be given. After revision, test will be conducted for you. I hope that you all will score good marks. Thank you.